guys, it's Shani, and today I'm working with Arizona Jean Company, and I'm so excited because I was able to put a couple of outfits together for the girls and I. You can find Arizona's clothes at any JCPenney or on the mobile app and online. The link will be down below in the description box. The clothes are super trendy and affordable and cute. What I also noticed about trying on all these cute outfits is they have a wide range of sizes so you guys can find that perfect fit. So you know what, let's just get started with the video.
What is up, guys? So I'm sure I can speak for everyone that the first day of school outfit is what sets you for the rest of high school. And don't we all want to look like a snack that smiles back? Girl, I know I did. And I know as long as I have some cool jeans on, I look cute or whatever. The girls and I had so much fun filming this video. Thank you JCPenney and Arizona for giving us this amazing opportunity. Now for Chloe, she is wearing this really comfortable black shirt with a pocket on the side and these really cool distressed denim jeans and a magenta flannel tied around her waist. But if you don't like that look, you can put it on and you have yourself an adorable outfit for back to school. And of course, Emily. I think Emily really slayed this look. She's wearing a yellow mustard t-shirt that says "Stay Positive" on the side, and paired it with a washed out denim fanny pack. Super trendy. And the most adorable mom jeans that look great on any size, trust me. And of course, for yours truly, I'm wearing this really cute black denim skirt with a zipper in the middle. I really like this skirt because it's very comfortable and stretchy material. And of course, very affordable. And to match it, I got a really cute turquoise graphic t-shirt that says "Female Lead" in the front. Perfect for back to school. Don't forget to subscribe to Arizona's channel. Link in the description box below.
So if you guys are ready to turn heads in those Arizona jeans, click the link below or download the JCPenney app to start shopping.